Hey guys, I'm back again. Sorry it's been a little while. So today I came out here to see if I can't figure out what to do. And I think there was actually a internet cable here. When we bought our house, we bought it new. I think I'm not sure. I think right here. I think you can see it. I'm not sure if that's it or if it's actually over here. I'm not sure. There's it's in actually their neighbor's yard behind us. They have the internet and all that connection stuff over there, phone and stuff. When I was digging up right here, you can see where I just patched it up today, I found the cable. I pray I didn't break it. I haven't seen any trucks come out or anything, so I think I just found it, but I did not cut it. So anyways, I was going to have the rows here, as you saw the other day. I did start cutting a couple rows right here. And, well, that's where I stopped, and then I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with the cable. So anyways, I decided I'm going to bury the cable, which is already back down here. You can see, it's kind of hard to see now, but I went right through here. It actually was, instead of the guys actually coming in through here and coming straight up this way, like out of the way, or even this way, they decided to come in diagonally here and go all the way up my backyard. So that kind of screwed things up. But anyways, I went ahead and buried it back down, and by doing that I was looking for more, and actually found some worms. So I'm hoping that my soil is decent. So I've decided I want you to start this as raised bed gardens here. Raised beds going to be here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it just yet. Probably one here, one over here. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that just yet. Also guys, money's got tight again. I couldn't do anything with this just yet. We had a lot of unexpected things come up in bills and stuff, so I'm going to do it on the cheap if I can. I'm just going to build just a coop for now. I'm going to try to do re-anchor this down. The anchors are way too high. I think I'm going to try to get some smaller ones and just make like a little, instead of having like a whole U, I'm going to try to make it like a hook at the end and just hook it down in there, and hopefully that'll hold. Because today we had some pretty bad winds, and this thing was turning into a kite coming off the ground. So anyways, I think I might either move this thing, I guess you call it as another raised bed deal here. I might move it here to the side, right here, here's the fence. I'm not too sure yet. Anyways, quick little story. As we were digging, I started to find some worms. My kids are helping me dig up some of the holes, and my kids are autistic, so I want them to learn to get dirty and stuff like that. That's what we're gonna do, is farming when we get our land. So we get some of our chickens and throw some in our compost. Hopefully that'll help with that. That's an update with our compost too. I don't know why the light's changing for. But yeah, so I threw like 5 or 6 worms in the compost for now to get started, and I started all out pretty good. And we're getting some rain. The day it wasn't supposed to rain. So anyways, I know the grass has been going a little bit more. My son's been wanting to try to mow. He's a little smaller right now. My son is too short, so we have a push mower. He wants to try it, but I know this is not real grass. I think this is more weeds or dandelions or what. I don't know what this is yet. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna try to get things going over here. I better get going in here. There's some thunder coming right now. But that's it for now. Like I said, I'm gonna do my best to get some stuff going. I'm gonna get in here, try to get a job here soon. See what I can do. So anyways, if you can, as always, like, subscribe, comment if you could please. Help me out, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye.